Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sabrina and I hope you're having a super sparkly day. Today I'm doing the makeup look from my last tutorial where I did some Doon hairstyles. So in that last video I showed you hairstyles inspired by Veronica. So today I'm doing her makeup. Also, if you want to see my thoughts and my review about this book, make sure you check out my blog. It's linked down below, and make sure you check out the hairstyles tutorial that I did too. It's also linked down below. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching, but before you do, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Now let's hop on into it.
Hi dolls, and welcome to the voiceover. So today I went ahead and started with some Maybelline Superstay Matte Foundation. I know it kind of looks like it's not my shade, but I promise once I get it all blended in, it matches my skin tone pretty well. I am kind of fair, so this is very, very fair, and I was a little bit more tan here, but it looks okay later on. And I'm just using a flat top kabuki brush to blend this in. And then after I get it all blended in pretty well with the brush, I like to go back in with my fingers and kind of pat down and make sure everything's blended nicely. And then I'm just setting everything today with some e.l.f. powder. And then I went ahead and applied a little bit of Too Cool for my eyeshadow base. And I'm using the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette today, and I'm starting with a little bit of Nudie just to go ahead and carve out that crease lightly. And then I'm going in with a little bit of Cashmere Bunny just to add a little bit of a pop of color. And I went back underneath the lash line with that Nudie. And then I'm taking the ColourPop Hi Ho and putting this right in the center of the lid and all the way into the inner corner to make it super sparkly. And then I'm just highlighting with a little bit of Heaven from that Too Faced palette. And I was going to go ahead and draw on my wings using the Hard Candy liner. And I think this is a super cute princessy look. I went ahead and coated my lashes with some Rollerball mascara. And I think this is definitely something that Veronica would have worn if she would have had makeup in the time that Doon is set. And I just went ahead and started contouring a little bit very lightly with my Hula bronzer. And then I applied a little bit of blush from the Adelaine Palette. And then I went ahead and applied the Naked Luminous for my highlight and topped it all off with some Bert's Bees and Tidal Tope lip gloss. And that's pretty much it for this look. It's pretty simple, but I think it's really, really cute and pretty, and you could definitely wear it every day. So thanks for watching, guys.